Welcome to December. Now, if you're anything like me, you grew up in a house where you did nothing but holiday bake. So welcome back to What You Baking. It's been a hot minute, and that's okay. Today we're going to start out with making sugar cookies. Now, I've only made sugar cookies once in my life. I've made them more as a child, but only once in my adult life. And this is my recipe. If you don't like it, I don't care. 1 cup of sugar. You can mix this by hand, but I'm not going to. We all know that. Make sure you have 4 cups of already sifted flour, so I'm going to go sift my life away real fast. Back to our regularly scheduled programming. You need 1 cup of shortening. You can do whatever you want. I'm using shortening because that's what my recipe says. Now what I like to do is I like to get this mixing. Now 2 eggs, and remember if you don't have 2 eggs you can use 1/4 cup of applesauce per egg. So in this case, since we need 2 eggs, we're doing a 1/2 cup of applesauce. And I'm going to whip this a little bit together. Then at this point you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tablespoons, big T, of milk. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now you need a teaspoon of vanilla. Just eyeball it, honestly. Whatever. And then you need a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Not the baking powder. I've made that mistake with this recipe before. Hey, Editing Laura here. As you can clearly see, I'm using baking powder and not baking soda. So yeah, don't be me. Use baking soda, not baking powder. It'll be fine. They'll taste fine. Remember that 4 cups of flour that you needed earlier? Or that you sifted? Sift your flour. Anyways, 4 cups of flour. What you're going to do is you're going to slowly incorporate this. Make sure that your mixer is actually still going. I like to mix, I like to add in like a 1/2 cup at a time. I only have, what is this? 1/3. And when it gets to a point where I don't really need a cup anymore, then I don't use it. But I just kind of take 1/3, just add it in. I like to add it in slowly. I don't like to add it all at once so it doesn't go all over your face. So that's what your dough should look like. It should be kind of sticky, kind of like sticks to my finger. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my dough and I'm just going to put it in the bowl that I use to sift my flour into, just to save space, because I don't have a dishwasher, so all my dishes are washed by hand, and I get kind of tired of washing dishes all the time. So we're just going to put it back in the bowl, and it'll be fine. It's whatever. And there you have it, sugar cookie dough. Running out of time. Put it in the fridge. We'll see you tomorrow. We're going to cut and bake them. Bye.